Welcome to this tutorial. How to test a hard drive for failures. Are you facing some issues like random errors, extremely slow performance of your computer? Then there is a chance that your hard drive may have some mechanical problem or it may be about to corrupt. If you want to know how to test a hard drive for failures, then follow the steps as shown in this video. Open the File Explorer. Click on this PC, and then right-click on the drive name which giving you problem. Now, click on the Properties. In this Properties window, click on the Tools tab. Click on the Check button in the Error Checking section. Click on Scan Drive in the pop-up box. Windows will start scanning of your hard drive for any errors. The scanning process will take time, and you will see the scan result report at the end. Close all the opened windows. Let's try to scan hard drive with another method. Click on the search bar and type CMD. From the search result, right-click on the Command Prompt app, and then click on the Run as Administrator. Click on the Yes button to allow the permissions. In the Command Prompt window, type CHKDSK space C:, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. The hard drive scanning process will start, and please wait until it completes. You will see the scanning result at the end. If any error found in your hard drive scanning, then it will show you a message in the scanning result. Close the Command Prompt window. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.